can't record in this weather. Chrome tips, I will get the size of the tips later on in the video. Full driving video with what this exhaust sounds like in the POV drive.
I'm in an RS3, blacked out 5-door, can't see me. 0 to 60 in 3.3. What you gonna do? You can't catch me. Try chat on my name, then my boys don't get ya. Try to do that.
What is good, everyone? It's DSG Panther here. Today we are going to be fitting a 2.5 inch catback exhaust system on my Polo GTI, and I'm so excited because there's no videos of this exhaust on YouTube. So massive shout out to Gravity Performance. Without further ado, let's show you the exhaust and then head on to Tyre Point and see the boy Ant and get the exhaust fitted. Let's get into it. Okay, so, and also if you didn't know, you see my new mod. I put GTI in the middle. That looks, honestly, it looks so much better. So today I've took it out the box because I didn't want to fit in my car otherwise. We have got the Gravity Performance catback exhaust system. So it's just got one back box and then a straight pipe here, which is like where the res would be, and then that's it. And it's got some nice chrome tips. I will get the size of the tips later on in the video. These are the mounting points for the exhaust. Comes fully packed. You get all clamps with it, you get 4 clamps with it, and you get the catalytic converter joint as well. So yeah, it's going to be a good video. Hopefully this is louder right now, because at the moment I only have a back box, normal back box with a res delete, and Blackie's trying to get in the video. If you don't know Blackie, she's an OG. She's been here from day one, isn't ya? Hey, she's in the other stuff's videos. If you don't know, get to know Blackie. But yeah, so that is the exhaust system. Let's head on to Tyre Point. I will do a reaction to everything later on in the video. I haven't got my GoPro with me today, so when I get home after we fitted this, I will go back out and I will record what it sounds like. So yeah, let's get into the video and let's go and get it fitted. So just quickly, just while I'm leaving my home, I will actually leave a clip in right now of what the res delete sounds like. Couple of videos, and then we'll cut to Tyre Point just so you guys can hear what it sounds like right now. And yeah, so let's get to Tyre Point. I did actually have to get new wind wipers because my ones were so bad, you know. So massive shout out to my dad because he actually bought me them. So now we've got new windscreen wipers, and shout out to Cliff from my work that fitted them for me. But yeah, we definitely needed them. At Tyre Point, as you can see, this is the road that you come down. The Tyre Point sign is there, and you go over these horrible speed bumps, but I guess it's to stop people drifting. But yeah, so Tyre Point sign is there, and as you come around here, Tyre Point is there. Tyre Point is literally there. We're gonna go in there and get the sexy exhaust fitted.
5 hours later.
Yeah, we are back now. Let's get into what this sounds like so you guys can hear me revving it. The start up. I don't have a cold start video. The next video I do on this YouTube channel, I will put a cold start video from this exhaust so you guys can hear it and see what it sounds like. But yeah, let's get into the sound clips. You already have heard it on the farts, but yeah, let's get into the sound clips. Guys, as you just heard, that is the Gravity Performance exhaust on my 2016 Polo GTI DSG. Now it does sound absolutely insane. Massive shout out to Tyre Point for fitting it. Obviously they do really good jobs at fitting exhaust, and that is their speciality, is exhaust and tyres. So if you want to get anything done, make sure you go and head to Tyre Point, and also go and head down to Gravity Performance. They're on eBay and they also have a website, so go and check them out. You can get this exhaust from there, if I have a discount code, I will put it on the screen right now so you can go and check them out. But yeah, massive shout out to Gravity Performance. This exhaust sounds absolutely insane. The farts are so much better than it was with the stock exhaust on, but it's also not too loud and it does not drone. Now I'm telling you right now, this exhaust does not drone and it sounds insane. If you have the manual, I'm not too sure, but on the DSG, as we have 7 gears, it does not drone, and I 100% recommend this exhaust for your Polo. Now we are fully done. I'm so happy with this exhaust. I'm keeping this exhaust on until I get rid of the car. No, I don't know when that will be, but 100% keeping the exhaust on until I get rid of the car. So guys, that is what the exhaust sounds like. The Gravity Performance exhaust. It sounds so good, honestly. Thank you to them. It sounds sick. If you do want to get it, links in the description. And also, the next video I do will be my reaction to this exhaust. So yeah, the next video will be a full driving video with what this exhaust sounds like in the POV drive on my new GoPro. I'm going to put some stickers on as well on my car of their brand, because this exhaust sounds sick. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you do want to see any more videos on this exhaust, then let me know. I will be posting some TikToks and some reels, blah blah blah, all that stuff. So if you want to go follow me on the socials, do that here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. The next video will probably be brakes. I've got some big plans for brakes and some other stuff as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I've been DSG Panther, or Ben, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.